This is the exam review video for Chapter 2, Part 1. So again, we're going to work through problems and kind of get them started, and then you can always pause the video and come back. In Part 1, you definitely want your pink sheet out, the sheet that helps you with some of those mathematical terms, and make sure that you're not making mistakes on those. Also, practicing with your pink sheet will help you because you will then have those resources on the exam as well. So when I'm looking at 1, 2, and 3, that's the kind of thing I'm thinking about. 2 times a number n cubed is 4 times the difference. Some of those terms that will definitely be helpful on your blue sheet. So what I'm looking for first is kind of my equal sign, and I think I found it right about there. So 2 times a number I'm thinking is multiply. Cubed means a power of 3. Times I think means multiplied as well. Difference means subtract. So, okay, 2 times a number called n that's cubed is 4 times, now it says the difference of, so 4 times the difference of is a parentheses word, 4 times the entire subtraction problem that is in that order, difference of x subtract y. You're not solving these, you're just translating them. When you get to the other ones, again, look for those key words and translate them. Again, pause the video then when you're ready to do that. In 4 and 5, you're going in the opposite direction. You're putting these into words. So something like 25 is. Then you want to talk about maybe the product of 10 and x squared to indicate the multiplying of those. The product of, or is 10 multiplied by x squared? The product of 10 and again, in words, x squared, then add 10, then add 21, sorry. Or is 21 more than the product of? There's lots of ways to say that. In number 5, you can use the word divide. You could use the word quotient so that you're demonstrating that division as well. 6 through 9, I'm not thinking will be a major problem. Those are one step. Please be sure to show your work on both sides and then check your calculations. When you get to number 10, that's a word problem. So again, we want to look through for anything that they told us is a rate, anything that they told us is a piece of information, anything we can think of how they calculated it. You purchased 9 tickets for the concert. You spent $474.75. How much does one ticket cost? It's like they want the rate, that's what we're missing. So it doesn't sound like there's a one-time ticket fee on this or anything. So it sounds like the kind of equation we're looking for fits this pattern of there is no extra number added on at the end. And they gave me one ordered pair, that 9 tickets are $474.75. So I know that my y value should come out 474.75, and you don't have to think it through in this many m and x terms, but this may help people. We're missing the slope, and I know I bought 9 tickets. Doing a little division then will help you solve the problem and answer the question. Be sure to add a label. Then when you get to 11 through 16, you've got multiple step equation solving. So 2 major steps to this, and then they're broken down. You want to simplify on same sides. So everything that happens in the simplify step is all those S's on same side. That means any distribution that needs to happen, but only on the same side. Any combining of like terms, but again, only on the same side. As soon as each side is simplified, then you start doing your SADMEPs, meaning I'm going to subtract, add to both sides, multiply, divide to both sides, that undoing that is solving. So in number 11, when I first look, this same side has no simplification. So we're ready to go right to SADMEP solving as a 2-step. So you could pause video and do that. When I get to number 12, though, on the same side, I see that there's simplifying that can be done. We have a positive 8n, but on the same side, they're also taking off 16n. So 8 minus 16 means I have a combined set of n's of negative 8n. Keep the negative 10 because nothing's changed, and negative 26. Then keep solving, but that took care of that simplifying on same side. And I keep stressing those s's so that we're realizing as long as they're on the same side, we're simplifying, we're combining. If they're not on the same side, then I can't do that. So on number 14, there's distributing to be done. So again, lasso that distributor, pausing this video wherever you need to so that you can get good things done on your own for review. Negative 12y plus 18 because it's a negative 6 and there's another negative to multiply in there. Plus 2 is 16. On the same side, I don't see any more y's, so I'm going to keep those. But on the same side, I do see 18 and 2. Go ahead and make those a 20. And you can keep solving from here.